Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Muslim brothers and sisters, may Allah Ta'ala keep you all well. 10 powerful Islamic techniques to increase your intelligence. Improving intelligence involves various factors, and Islamic teachings offer valuable insights. Here are 10 techniques. 1. Seek knowledge. The pursuit of knowledge is highly encouraged in Islam. Engage in continuous learning through reading, studying, and seeking wisdom. 2. Dua, supplication. Pray to Allah for increased intelligence and wisdom. The act of making sincere supplications can strengthen your connection with the divine and help in attaining clarity of thought. 3. Reflect on Quranic verses. The Quran contains profound wisdom and guidance. Reflecting on its verses can stimulate intellectual growth and deepen understanding. 4. Follow the Sunnah. Emulate the actions and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who exemplified wisdom and intelligence. His life serves as a timeless source of inspiration. 5. Practice critical thinking. Islam encourages believers to ponder and contemplate. Develop critical thinking skills by analyzing situations, seeking evidence, and evaluating perspectives. 6. Adopt healthy habit. Take care of your physical health as it impacts cognitive function. Follow the Sunnah regarding diet, sleep, and exercise to optimize brain performance. 7. Engage in discussion and debate. Participate in constructive discussions and debates on various topics. Exchanging ideas with others fosters intellectual growth and broadens perspectives. 8. Solve problems creatively. Islam emphasizes resourcefulness and problem solving. Approach challenges with creativity and perseverance, seeking innovative solutions while relying on faith. 9. Practice patience and perseverance. Intelligence is also cultivated through patience and persistence. Trust in Allah's plan and remain steadfast in your efforts to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. 10. Continuous self-improvement. Islam encourages self-reflection and self-improvement. Continuously strive to enhance your skills, knowledge, and character to reach your full intellectual potential. By integrating these principles into your life, you can harness the power of Islamic teachings to enhance your intelligence and wisdom.